Hey there, Kaylin here, Snap-in nutrition educator in Waldo County, Maine. Today we're making curry pumpkin soup, another recipe from eating better on a budget. Make sure to check out the recipes in the description box below. So first I started out with stacking up all my ingredients, making sure that my cutting board was nice and clean, and then I chopped the onions, got my heat going, added the onions, added the mushrooms. I tried to not use oil, but it started to get a little dark, so I added about a tablespoon of oil and then things started to sizzle nicely. Once that got going and the onions started to get a little brown, I started getting ready to add all of my other ingredients. We start with some chicken stock. This is going to help us deglaze and scrape up all those yummy bits off the bottom of the pan. And then we add our pumpkin. Make sure you get all of that good stuff. I stirred that through a little bit and then I added the evaporated milk. Stir that all together and it's actually starting to look like soup. Fun fact, did you know that curry actually isn't just one spice? It's a blend of spices that was created by the British to help home cooks use the spices from the spice trade. If you win trivia someday with that little tidbit, you'll have to let me know. So then I just added my curry and I love it, so I just went forward with no hesitation, added the rest of my stock, added some salt and some pepper. Lots of pepper. And then just a little bit of nutmeg to bring out that, warm holiday feeling. Okay, maybe more than a little bit. Then I tasted it for spice. I went back in with some more curry, and then I added some red chili flakes. Now, here's the thing. If you like chili, go for it. But I took this to Thanksgiving, and my poor mother was so unimpressed. I also stirred some coconut milk into it at the end. You can be creative. Make it your own. Add a little twist on it. I felt like it needed to be a little more creamy, and I just took it to the next level. And there it is, served at our Thanksgiving dinner table. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to post your creations to social media with the hashtag MaineSnapEd. Stay safe, wash your hands, have fun with it, and as always, head to mainesnaped.org for more.